हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग। तो स्वागत है आज के ब्लॉग में। तो मेरा नाम सतीश राजपूत ब्लॉग। तो इवेंट स्टार्ट हो चुका है, अभी मैंने दिखा दिया आपको कौन आया है। सो गाइस, जो आज के चीफ गेस्ट है तो उनका नाम है तापसी पन्नू। उन्होंने कंचना मूवी करी है।
Dynamic, vibrant, one of our all-time favorites, definitely spirit and grit in actual real life. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the lovely, the vivacious, the dynamic, the charming Taapsee Pannu! Woo! That's how big that was, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to invite Mr. Mohit Mathur, Regional Head, Optimal Media Solutions, to please come on stage and welcome Taapsee with a memento. Could we also have a mic for Taapsee? Could we have a mic?
Someone who's gone outside Delhi and done something and has come back. So it's a very weird feeling. I feel like a girl who is just probably walking around these lanes with nobody really giving a second look, and then suddenly you're standing here as a chief guest. So the leaders who are going to get awarded, yeah, I have not made the mark as yet as
No,
young
so
industry.
you mentioned that.
I think maybe something will rub off on me today after giving away these awards. Maybe in the future I can try and aim for this award as well. But until then, congratulations everyone who's going to win today.
These leaders here representing different industries are doing. They are pushing every day out of their comfort zone, leading, and that is why here they are. We're going to put the spotlight on them for being industrial.
But doesn't mean the struggle is any way less in any of your industries. So that's why huge respect to everyone who has made their own mark, who has climbed that tough ladder up, because the hustle is real, and I understand that.
Hustle is real. All our leaders know it. But thank you so much. So without further ado, let's begin. And I'd like to request Mohit back on the stage for the lamp lighting. I'll hold on to that. What a beautiful start, ladies and gentlemen, to the ET Young Industry Leader Awards 2025. India is that truly beautiful. And last but definitely not the least, we'd like to invite Mr. Vivek Gupta. He's an officer of the Indian Revenue Services. He's currently looking after very important appellate matters and is posted out of Noida. A big thank you to again our guest of honor, Mr. Vivek Gupta IRS. Welcome, sir. Guys, our first award this evening, please. Let's show some love. All leaders here in the house, let's cheer each other on. Do we also have, okay, there we have the lovely Priyanka Wadhwa also on stage with us. Now, let me tell you, TDI with a legacy spanning over 3 decades. So TDI infrastructure under the visionary leadership of Akshay has played a pivotal. I know everyone here, either their daughter, the sister, the wife has shopped at Kazo. So welcome, congratulations. A big round of applause for the lovely Taapsee Pannu. So we have a very special person with us tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, industry inspire professionals across the country. He truly is someone that we all look up to. and I think that the biggest of our business leaders and probably political leaders.
कहते हैं ना, मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी थोड़ा भटककर ही सही, मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी थोड़ा भटककर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घरों से निकले ही नहीं। आप जैसे अजीम शख्सियत who achieved these awards are people with a different perspective. I am C.A. Charanjot Singh Nanda, the 73rd president of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and I want to tell you,
Getting one of our guests of honors to accompany you to present the next two awards. So I'd like to invite Mr. Devan Sharma, founder Prop Ocean Ventures Private Limited, to please join our chief guest on the stage to present the next two awards. This is a jinx. I think they might have stepped out. Once again, Mani Gupta and Sonam Goyal. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, bagging the award for excellence in innovations in paper applications. A big round of applause for Mr. Atul Garg. He's the director in real estate development. The award goes to Sanchit Bhutani, who's the managing director of Group 108. Can we please have you on stage? Excellence in global travel services. The award goes to Badal Gupta, the managing director of Worldwide Travel International. Could we have Badal Gupta join us on stage for outstanding contribution in education? Accomplish Academy, I think the name says it all. Our next award is for Emerging Entrepreneur of the Year. The award goes to Bini. Eco-friendly solutions to the construction industry since the year 1996. Next again, back to education. Excellence in education. The award goes to Saji Lekha Pillai, the principal of Shah Himanshu Tyagi and Praveen Gupta, the co-founders of Limora Estates. Can we please have you on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Lalit Arora, I'd like to tell you, is a self-made. Join us please, is the director of NDPS Realtech. The most trustworthy brand in real estate award. And this goes to someone who's a chief managing director of Shiny Homes, Ghaziabad. Welcome, hearty congratulations. He's a developer with residential projects in Ghaziabad and so many of them. They offer various considerations, 3, 4 and 5 years. This is the Shikhar Agarwal. Can we please have you join us on stage? On his behalf, I'd like to invite Mr. Anmol Khurana to receive the ET Young Industry Leaders Award for driving financial inclusion, empowering women entrepreneurs, and of course delivering transformative services across the country. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you to all our partners, our industries, and of course our guest of honors, as you get deep more concentration of talent, leadership, and each. Thank you guys.
तो वैसे इवेंट खत्म हो चुका है अपना। सिंटू भाई की हाल है? मजा कतई मजा ही बांध दिया मेरे भाई। सब्सक्राइब, हाँ ठीक है, चल भाई हम चले घर। लेना भाई, भैया ले रहे हो? हाँ हो रहा, सब हो रहा है, वीडियो चल भैया। थैंक यू। सो गाइस पैकअप हो रहा है, अब मैं चलता हूँ घर। अभी हमारी सारी टीम पैकअप करेगी।
भाई हमारा पास है, जो देख भाई हम पैकअप करने के लिए पास।
अरे यहाँ का पास है, इस होटल का पास है, ये पास ही है और कुछ। हेलो टीम इंसान गिरती के बंदे हैं सारे ये। हाँ तेरे को दिखाना बनेगा ना भाई, तू लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेगा। चलते हैं, चलो भाई घर।